Everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ani Amavia. Mbote na bino nyoso tu soko ezali mbana liboso landanga kombo nanga ezali Anita Mavita. In today's video is going to be about Set's new collection from Zara. As we all know, Set, you can't get lost, you can't get twist. It's so simple and easy to go. Na video lelo ekozala bilamba ya complet ndenge biso soyebi complet okoko sambriete okoko bela mututu ezala vraiment très simple ya kolata ya kokende. So let's go. Toleka. First set is going to be this one. Look at how beautiful this is. Yellow mixed with white and black. So this is the top. I got this in size M, 32.99. Nazi oyo na prix ya 32.99 na taille M. See, this is the skirt. I got this the same price, 32.99. I got this in size S. Because I tried size M, it was a little bit big, so I prefer to get the size S. Na zio yango peka na prix moko na 32 livres 99, na zio ki yango na taille S pour M numéro M ezalaki mwa muke munene yango na preferaki na zio yango na size oyo. Go. It's so simple, easy to go. I'm in love with this color. It's really nice, so beautiful, comfortable. So you can see here, this I make the set. I got this from 39.99. Yeah, that's shoes on as you want to monter 39 livres 99. So that's our first one. So the next set, I got this in size L. So this is 49.99. Nazi o na prix ya 49 livres 99 na taille L. Trousers is the same price, is 49.99. I got this in size M. Donc nazi yango na prix ya 49.99 na size medium, no M. You can see, guys, I'm in love with this. I love, very nice, special for summer. And then I wear that with these heels, very comfortable. It's not that long, you know. For this, and this is the one pair. So I got these shoes, you can see here, 59.99 in size 7. Very beautiful color, special for summertime. You wear this, you look, you know, you look simple but expensive, classic. Ola tibre obimi vraiment cher et puis classique. With Zara, to be honest, you can't get lost. Yeah, when you love fashion, you have to spend. Na Zara vraiment okoko sambriete. Donc Zara déjà quoi. Ce qu'on a au lingara il faut au dépenser quoi. Donc voilà. If you love dressing, you have to spend, love. There's no choice. So with Zara, you have to spend. So na Zara vraiment ils marmoude ya ko dépenser quoi. Na biso ba congolais, ba chemise ou avec ça c'est bien sika, ils a coûté cher que oyo. Donc ils a déjà ba prix mort l'école, au coût Zara ça 50 livres et le bel biso le roté quoi. Donc tant on l'incola ta foi ba ndenge ba dépenser quoi. So voilà. Here, very nice color. Nice for summer. You can wear this everywhere, like barbecue party, birthday party, you know, dinner. You can wear this everywhere. On la temps vraiment partout. Vous avez na birthday, okay, na restaurant, you know. Very nice, very nice. Look at the color. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's very comfortable, very light. The material too is very nice. It's up and comfortable. It's up and nice. Tisi na mopeza kitoko makasi. Donc voilà. Attaper shoes. Donc shoes bozomona. Donc attaper shoes. Even the shoes is really nice, very comfortable. The heels is not that long. See, very nice, very simple. I mix with these glasses. Let me open for you. Yes. Voila. 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 This is what I'm talking about. Voila. If you know how to dress, yeah, you can dress. You can't get lost. You can't get twist. I got these glasses. How much? $16.99. $16.99. I got these glasses. All about fashion. So these are sets. Very nice and simple. Very nice and simple. You can't get lost, you can't get twist with Zara. Very nice, very beautiful, comfortable. When you put it on, you look classic, you look expensive. Yeah, with black bag to go with the shoes, or you can wear with what bag is depend on you. But me, I wear this with black bag. Donc all lata oyo na sac ya noir. Ndetinga na lata na sac ya noir. Bio ko lata yango na sac ya pembe, ezo dépendre kana yo. Mais eza vraiment kitoko makasi. As you can see, very beautiful. Very beautiful. I know it's expensive, but you know, Zara, so there's nothing we can complain. If you love fashion, you love dressing, you have to spend. So sometimes it's good to spend money with the good quality to last longer than to buy cheap stuff. Donc mo na vie ezalaka bien ko dépenser ko sombelamba est cher pour eumelaka. Donc osombelamba est moins cher après 2 mois you buy another one. So it's good to spend money with good quality clothes than to buy the cheapest one and after 2 months, 3 months you buy again. No. So yeah. So the third one, I got this one. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Zara, you're gonna kill me. Zara, you're gonna kill me, guys. Look at this. Look at this shirt. Look at how beautiful it is. Ma famille bota la chemise oyo. Bota la chemise over mandenge zanaza moto na linga ba chemise te mais na koma rolata ba chemise Zara po Zara aza suka. I'm them kind of people, they don't like shit with Zara. Oh my god. I start wearing Zara. I got this in size M. I got this in size M, $32.99. Trousers. I got trousers in size M. Both are actually, trousers is a little bit expensive. It's $49.99. The top is $32.99, but trousers is $49.99. So very beautiful, comfortable, nice color. And both sets goes like this. Goes like this. Very beautiful, simple and nice, comfortable, you know. So nazu yango na taille M, likolo nazu na taille M, 32 livres 99, na se nango pe nazu nango na taille M, donc medium. Tanding ezali, all this is about Zara. nyonso toko na zo na Zara. Donc ola tango ke de pe église ola tango bien okangi ba bouton nyonso tout, you know, okay de pe restaurant, birthday party, barbecue party, you know, even dinner, you're going to church, you're going somewhere, you just put it on. Very nice, classic and respectful clothes. It depends the way you put it on. So yeah, look at that, very beautiful. And I told you the price about the shoes already, but it goes like this. Maybe say give you no prix ya sapato déjà, mais na cheka ka bobo mo na ndenge na lateli yango. Moni boy vraiment atabino moko boy. Olati boy kitoko okene na église, okene na place moko boy. Donc voilà, very nice, beautiful. You're going to church, you're going somewhere nice. You look classic, expensive. You look like wow, you know. Yes, it's about Zara. Oh, it's about Zara. You can't get. And I bought this one, crop top. I got this in size S. The price is $9.99. So beautiful. As you can see, the way I wear my one, it looks so beautiful in your body. Yeah. So the last one, oh my god, I'm in love with this, guys. Look at this. Look at this with some nice jean, you know. Là tu as jean moka bien. Alibaki c'est ta veste likolo with nice jean with blazer. Wow. I didn't even try this one, but I'll try it. I'll show you guys the video how it looks in my body. So yeah, it's like goes. And I got this in how much? So I got this in size M and L. So basically is large to medium or medium to large. The price is $22.99. Yeah, the price is $22.99. I go on size medium to large. So yeah, $22.99 is very nice, very comfortable, pretty, you know, like this. I love it. Very nice, very beautiful. I love Zara stuff. They go very good stuff. Yeah, yeah. I put it on here. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Merci les bien sur wande ko landanga. Please bobo sanate ko like ko commenter ya wande sala kamalamu. I'll see you next time in my next video. Na komona nombala simana video na ngizolanda. Bye.